back to my channel. Hope you all are having an amazing day. Today I'm very excited because today is the first video in 2018. Yay! I'm still at a party mode and I'm super excited. Today is the first video of 2018 and top of that it's gonna be a chatty tutorial. So a lot of you guys have asked me many times how to do a flawless foundation base without getting heavier and cakey. So today we're gonna talk about and I'm gonna show you how you all can achieve flawless Photoshop face. So let's get started. Why we waste time? So first thing first, where's my pom-pom? Let's start with that. Now I'm in business. Let's talk. Right. So first thing first, before I get into how to apply foundation, I want to tell you how you can achieve a flawless look, but it is a lot of time it's about your skin. So it's very important that you cleanse your skin well and then you exfoliate also. And I have already toned my face. And now I'm gonna move on to moisturizer. Very important, please never skip moisturizer. It's very important because if you're not gonna hydrate your face gonna dry up. No matter if you're oily, if you're dry, if you're normal, if you're combination, you have to moisturize your face. It is like drinking water. So can we survive without water? I don't think so. I don't want to. I love water. And so that's why moisturizer is very important. I'm using Kielh. It's called Vinosource Cream Sorbet. It's super hydrating. So far is my favorite one. But you don't have to use whatever I'm using. You can use whatever moisturizer you have at the moment. Because all I'm showing you is the technique. So I want my moisturizer to sit for about 5 minutes or so that it does not look a layer on my skin. I want my skin to absorb the moisturizer that I have just applied. So that's 5 minutes. So it's already been 5 minutes and my skin is feeling nice and hydrated and plumpy. So I need to move to my tutorial. Before doing that, I'm gonna apply only if I find. What I'm looking here is my primer, which I can't find it. Alright, I was gonna show you primer, MAC primer, which for some reason I can't find it. So recently I've been using Caudalie Rose Gold Elixir. Oh my gosh, this product is to die for. And this is amazing. My skin is getting more dry because of winters, so that's why I love using oils on my skin because it sits so nicely under my foundation and it looks super dewy. So if you guys are looking for face oil, Caudalie Rose Gold is not a bad one. And if you have a dry skin, then this is a best one. If you have oily skin, then you can totally skip the face oil because it's gonna make your skin more oily. Then you can go for any other primer, which I was gonna show you. There are like tons and tons of primer, and primers are something which is really overwhelming. So I don't know, where did I put it? For some reason I can't find it. So this is a good one if you have pores and if you have oily skin. The Pore Professional by Benefit, this is a very good one. Hourglass Whale Mineral Primer is very good one as well. But today I have decided to use Caudalie because it's my favorite. And did I tell you that this smells incredible? It smells like, you know when you get those oranges in the winter time, the Christmas time when we get oranges? Oh my god, smells incredible. This is a beautiful product. And I found my primer. So the primer that I was going to show you, it's MAC Prep and Prime, and this is Natural Radiance. It is not that bad. It's a silicone based. I do prefer primers. I'm a huge fan of primers. So basically what primer does, it smooths the application of foundation. On top of that, it makes it last long. And if you have any issue, like if you have pores issue, then you can buy Pore Professional balm to minimize the appearance of pore by Benefit. It's a pretty good one. Or this is my my favorite one is Makeup Forever Base Hydrating. This is called the Step 1. It is pretty basic one, it's very good. So today, just to show you guys, I am going to apply my MAC Prep and Prime. But yes, primers are must. This could be a reason that your foundation is going heavy or cakey, or it's not looking as smooth. So primer is must, you can't skip that. You can apply face oil like I just did today, but you don't have to apply true primer. I'm applying it just to show you that how it's gonna look like under my foundation, just to show you, but it's not going to interfere anything. Oh my god, I have super sensitive skin. Whenever I apply moisturizer or just lightly massage my face, I don't know if you guys can see it, my face is turning red. I have a mirror right here, so I'm looking at it, and it's turning a little bit red around my nose and on my cheeks. Thanks to my mom. Thank you, Mom, for giving me such a sensitive skin. Correct my under eye dark circles. So I am using, to do that, so I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I can show you only if my camera decides to focus. Oh, there you go. Okay. So I am using today the product which is available easily everywhere. And this is in color peach. No, sorry. It's in color orange. So it's an orange corrector. It's perfect for anyone who has a similar skin as mine or darker skin. Most of the time, this concealer works pretty well for all the brown skin people. And if you are very light person, then you can go for more peach corrector. I don't know, maybe I can show you if I have at the moment. Oh, unfortunately not. Oh, wait, maybe I have. Okay, so I do have this MAC Pro Concealer and Correct palette. It is more of a pro palette. You guys don't have to buy it, but if you do guys decide to buy it, it is not that bad product because this can work as your foundation as well. So if you're a lighter person, then you can choose something like this, more peachy. So lighter than this orange color, but do not apply concealer right away. It's not going to take away your dark circle. So first you have to correct. So correct first. Now I am going to use, these are my Artis brushes, Artis. This is like a oval brushes. It's pretty good, very smooth, very dense, and it's work pretty good under the eye. I know, my funny face. I make because somehow it makes my application go so smooth. So I just do like this. I know, it's so funny, but trust me, it works. All right, so now I have orange concealer under my eyes, and now I'm gonna move on. Okay, so if you are buying concealer to conceal your dark circles, not to brighten your skin, then you should stick to your skin tone. This works pretty good for me. Again, if something that you have find it works pretty good for you guys, then please stick with that. But I always like concealer matching my skin tone, and then when I apply my foundation, then I do highlighter with the lighter shade to my skin tone. I know it can be very confusing, but I'll show you what I mean. So what I'm using today, so I have picked, I'm just sticking with the same product brand. So this is Pro Concealer in medium beige. Yeah, forgot to tell you. So again, I'm using my oval brush to kind of blend it, but you can totally do with it. I can actually show you. You can totally do with any concealer brush. So what I'm using today. So I have this brush from Sephora, and it is Pro Airbrush Concealer. It's pretty dense. Ignore. It's dirty, I know. This is what I did. I just kind of blend the concealer that I've applied, and my face now looks like a normal person, which is great. And what I'm gonna do, oh my god, this is my favorite. So this is Real Technique sponge, and this is amazing. You can use the beauty blender as well. It's pretty good as well, but I think this one's great. It works pretty good for me. So what I'm gonna do, it's already damp, and blend really well. Oh yeah, this works so good. I use both brushes and sponges, but make sure you clean though, otherwise you're gonna get acne very badly. Alright, so what we have done so far is correcting and then concealer, and now we are moving to foundation. So when you're picking up foundation, you can use matte foundation, dewy foundation. There's like a whole bunch of foundation. You actually need a Google to look into that, right? So I am using today Makeup Forever HD foundation in shade Y375. Now, so I'm using this guy. I'm just gonna take on back of my hand, just literally 2 or 3 pumps. Oops, it's dripping. And then I like to blend with my brush. What I'm looking is my brush. So this is what, again, my Real Technique Face Expert. So at this moment, guys, I'm gonna suggest you whatever foundation that you have, please use that. At this point, you don't have to buy any other foundation. All I'm doing is showing you technique. I like to pose. Is the step, the concealer that I'm using after my foundation, and this should be 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. So when you're picking foundation, stick with your skin tone. When you're using concealer to conceal your dark circles, or if you're planning to cover the blemishes or acne marks, stick with your skin color as well. You can go a little bit lighter, a 1 shade lighter, but you can't choose a 2 shade lighter. You know what I mean? And now I'm using, after my foundation, I want to brighten up this area and bring some life back to my skin. So then I'm choosing 2 shade lighter than my skin tone. And what I'm using today, it is Maybelline Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circles. I barely use this guy, I think maybe once or twice. Today I'm kind of thinking to use more of drugstore, like whatever products easily available. So that's why I'm picking these brands, but you can apply anything that you have right now. Just showing you how to apply. So what this gonna do is brighten skin. Do you see that? How it is lighter than my actual skin color, and that's what you're looking for when you're looking for something that you need to brighten up your area, your skin. I am going to use my favorite Ben Eye Banana Powder.